equations, right? Then data handling, then graph. These chapters are known as calculative chapter. For example, number system, whole number, integer number, natural number, rational number, decimal and fraction, knowing our number. There are lots of chapter also in calculative maths. So whenever you solve calculative chapter, it is like a circle. What do you mean by circle? Please see here. If we have, there are 5, 7 different chapter of calculative mathematics. Whenever you start your question, it is different. You can see chapter number 1, it is different. Chapter number 3, it is different. Chapter number 5, it is different. There are lots of chapter, but the theory, the formulas, then the form are different. But at the end of questions, what we have to do, at the center point, it is known as calculation. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Whenever you start your question from chapter number 1, at the end of you have to do calculation.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you start chapter number 3, at the end of your question, what we have to do?
Calculation.
Every chapter, every calculative chapter, whenever you start, at the end of the question, you have to do calculation. So it means it must, you need to solve all the questions. Why? Because of in all the questions, what we have to do? We have to do calculation. And in calculation, what we have to do? See here, I am giving you example. In calculation, what we have to do? In calculation, first we have to use board mass, yes or no?
Yes,
Board mass
Sir.
means the bracket of, please mute your mic, bracket of, mute your mic, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Whenever you do calculation, first you have to remember this thing, right? Then second thing you have to remember, it is tables. Then third thing you have to remember, it is LCM. Fourth thing you have to remember whenever you do calculation, it is squares and squares root. I think this topic is not in your 7th standard, it is in 8th standard. But whenever you do calculation, you have to remember this thing. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, it means whenever you do calculation, after some steps, you have to do multiplication. You have to do division. You are doing addition. You are doing subtraction. So in every question, you need this point. Yes or no? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Whenever you do calculation, you need tables also. And whenever you do calculation, in which LCM we need to equal the denominator. You know that whenever we add two different fraction, one chapter in your, I think 7th or 6th, decimal and fraction. In 7th standard or 6th standard?
7th standard, second chapter. Now it is explanation working.
Yeah, exactly. In which whenever you add two different fraction number, first you have to do equal denominator. And for this, we have to do LCM. We have to take LCM. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So out of this, I am giving you some points. How can you improve your calculation on the basis of these 4 points? If these 4 points are too strong, then it is very easy to solve calculative chapter. Then after you have to remember only some formulas, nothing else. If you remember some formula, for example, whenever you add two fractions, you know that first of all we have to equal the denominator, then we add only numerator, and then we have to divide, we have to cut. If the rational number, if fraction number, not in simple form. 1 minute, boys. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I am giving you example so you can clearly understand. See here, example. For example, you have two fraction number 2 by 3
Yes, sir.
and 4 by 5. If you want to add these two fraction number, so I want to add. How can we solve? Whenever you solve this problem, first you have to take LCM. Why we have to take LCM? Because of our denominator are different. So we are doing cross multiplication. Multiplication of 5 and 2. So 5 2s are 10. Plus, whenever you do the cross multiplication of these two terms, 4 3s are 12. And we have to write down 5 plus 3, sorry, 5 3s are 15. So we get 10 plus 12, 22 divided by 15. Now you can see if your numerator and denominator having common factor, then we have to divide with this common factor. But in this case, there are no common factor between numerator and denominator. So it is your final answer.
Sir, it is.
I am giving you one more example in which we have denominator. For example, 2 by 3 and 4 by 6. Whenever you add this two fraction number, first we are taking cross multiplication. So 6 and 2, 6 2s are 12. Plus 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Upon, in denominator we have two numbers, 6 3s are 18. So we get the answer 12 plus 12. It is 24 upon 18. Now you can see 24 is numerator and 18 is an denominator in which one factor is common. Which factor is common, you know? I am giving simple example. If you remember the table of 6, you can see 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So we can say that in 18, instead of 18, we are writing 6 threes are 18. Then 6 fours are 24. So you can see in numerator we have 24. So we can write instead of 24, 6 into 4. Now we can see we can directly cut the 6. So what is the answer? What is the answer?
Answer.
4 by 3. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So like this, we can solve any questions of a fraction number. It is useful in 8th standard also. Whenever you will come in next year, 8th standard, I will explain you everything in our chapter. But today we have no more time, so I am giving you some simple example. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see the second topic, tables. You know that there are lots of table we have, and as a student of 7th standard, as a student of mathematics, you have to remember minimum 30 table. But it is not possible for every student. But it is compulsory to remember the table of 1 to 10. Why? Because of if you remember the table of 1 to 10, then you can easily form table number 11 to 99. I am giving you simple example. If you want to write down the table of 32, Which table we have to write down? 32. We don't know the table of 32. Even I also don't know the table of 32. But if you want to form the table of 32, how can we form? It is very easy, you can see. In 32, there are two digits, 3 and 2, yes or no?
Yes.
So first we are writing the table of 3 at the left side. You can see 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 nines are, sorry, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Are you remember the table of 3, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And
At the left side, we are writing the table of 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now at the right side, we are writing the table of 2. So you can see here. You know the table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are, sorry, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 10s are 20. Clear, all of you? Now you can see we are writing the table of 3 and 2. Now what we have to do? Now we are forming the table of 32. How can we form? Please see here. You can see at the right side some numbers are extra, 1 1 1 1 1 2, right? We have to add this number to the left side and writing the table as it is. You can see here. For example, if you want to write down 3 2 means it is 32, then 6 4 means it is 64, then 9 6 it is 96, then 12 8 so 128. Now you can see here we have 1, so we have to add 1 to the left side number. So 15 plus 1 it is 16 and 0. You can see in a 12 we have to write down 2 as it is, but we have to add 1 to the left side number. So 18 plus 1 19. You can see we have to write down 4 as it is, but we have to add 1 into 21, so it is 22. Then you can see we have to write down 6 as it is, 24 and 1 25. And at the last we have to write down 8 as it is, 27 and 1 28. And at the last we have to write down 0 as it is, we have to add 2 to the left side number, so 30 plus 2 32. So you can see it is the table of your 32.
yes, sir.
Is it interesting?
Yes, sir. It is interesting.
Please boys give me answer, everyone give me answer.
Yes, sir.
Is getting,
Understand.
બધાને સમજમાં આવે છે બેટા?
Yes, sir.
હજી મને લાગતું નથી બધાને સમજમાં આવ્યું હોય એવું.
Yes, sir.
બધા આન્સર નથી આપતા હજી મને. બધા આન્સર નથી આપતા મને હજી.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
So like this we are forming the table of 11 to 99. I am giving you one more example to form one more table. For example, if you want to form the table of 54, how can we form? You can see here. we have to form the table of 54. So at the left side we have to write down the table of 5, and at the right side we have to write down the table of 4. You can see 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, and 5 tens are 50. Like this, we have to write down the table of 4 at the right side. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 nines are, sorry, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Now what we have to do? We have to write down answer. What is the answer? You can see here 5 4, it means it is 54. Then 108. Now we have to add this 1 carry to the left side number. So 15 plus 1 16 and 2. Then here also we have to add 1 21 and 6. Here we have to add 2 25 and 2 27 and 0. Here we have to add 2 20, sorry, 30 plus 2 32 and 4. Here also we have to add 2 35 plus 2 37 and 8. Here we have to add 3 40 plus 3 43 and 2. Again we are adding 3 at the 45 48 and 6, and at the last we have to add 4 50 plus 4 54 and 0. So we can easily form the table of 54. You can see here. Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write down the table of 32, 54. These two examples of your fraction. In a calculation, you have to remember these 4 different points. You have to write down this everything in your rough book. And the topic name, it is, I'm writing the topic here. What is our topic? Boys,
Calculation.
no, it's not calculation, it is mental mathematics. What is the topic?
Mental mathematics.
Okay. Now write down mental mathematics is your heading, and write down this everything in your book.
સર તમારો અવાજ કેમ નથી આવતો?
But I am not speaking right now. Write down this everything in your rough book. Your topic name is mental mathematics. Okay? Mute your mic. Someone's mic is unmute. Who is this? Mute your mic. Written all of you? Boys,
Boys. 5 minutes.
written all of you?
No.
Write down fast.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Return. Return, boys. Oliver is Keshwani, Aman, Mehdi Hassan, Fazil, Ghazi Abbas, Qasim Raja, Kaushat, Rehan, Raza Abbas, Taqi.
Yes, sir.
All the best, yaar. ના બેટા કઈ કામ નથી, just I am showing how many students are present.
Yes, sir. Written. Done.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so whenever our lecture will come as a proxy, we will do how can we improve